Yo.
Okay.
Let's party, yeah. Let's party tonight. This is Guangzhou, yeah. We're gonna party. Yeah, just take it chill, enjoy the moment.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Foreigner. On today's video, I'm gonna take you guys to Guangzhou Nightlife. Yeah. So I'm in Guangzhou. I'm gonna go see how nightlife and the clubbing it is. So this is the street of Guangzhou, and we're gonna go to use the MRT. That's the train station, because now it is almost 11 p.m. and in Guangzhou by 11:30 p.m. to 11, the MRT station will be closed. So yeah, this is the police station. Here is one of the there is a station here. That's why you see police bikes from different angles. So I'll catch you guys inside the MRT. Then we see what we do next. We are at the subway station now. So normally in Guangzhou, if you want to use a MRT, this is your Alipay, the QR code. When you scan it like this, it will open. Then you can use it, and then you go to the station here. So this is the station. I'm going to line. I don't know where, but we're gonna go down. So I think it's only like a 3 station for me to reach my destination. Yeah. So this is the MRT. Yeah, I feel like the process in China is very simple. Just scan with your Alipay. You go into the train station. You check the destination you are going. If it's this side or this side, you check the address. You can see this is the address of the locations. So if you are going this side, you stay at here. If you are going this side, you can see people coming going in. Use this side, yeah. So we're gonna wait for like 2 minutes. Then we will enter our train, and I will move to my destination. Yeah. So this club is at the Guangzhou city center. So I'll catch you guys at the city center. Peace out. So yeah, now we are outside the train station. So we're gonna do some walk. Let's explore Guangzhou. Yeah, you can see here is the road. So we're gonna cross the road. This is Guangzhou Canton Tower, right? Canton Tower. Oh. So here is the city center of Guangzhou. Yeah, my body here is look at the tower. Yeah, this is Canton Tower of Guangzhou. Yeah, it is already 12 in the night, so there is no light at the tower. Yeah, but you guys can see it. So here is the city center of Guangzhou. I feel like if here was in the night, when 10, 11, when there is more light, it will be very more beautiful. Yeah, but still we're gonna explore it. This side, Chinese just having a good time. Whenever you see this in China, I think they are doing some construction, right? Yeah, I think we're gonna explore this area. So we're gonna, yeah, you can see Chinese people having a good time here. Yeah. Now the view of Canton Tower is very much good from here. Yeah. So for your information, you can come here in the morning or in the evening. you can pay like 400 RMB to go up last floor of the tower to see the view of our Guangzhou much more better. So here we're gonna, what the name is this side? This side is like a boat cruise, right? Yeah, just a lake where you see the most beautiful places in Guangzhou. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, we just saw a self-driving bus. I feel like I need to try this bus in Guangzhou. Yeah. I hope I can, so I'm gonna give you guys a good video on it. So this is Guangzhou Lake. You can see it here. Guangzhou Lake. And here is the bridge. And here there are a lot of people just experiencing the view, having a good time. And I don't know, maybe that place is a restaurant there inside the lake. So I feel like the lake is very far, but this side is one of the best places. So we're gonna move. We're gonna move now. So I will catch you guys when we are at the nightclub, so we can see how Guangzhou nightclub look like. This club we are going is a club that have a Russian, Brazilians, Africans, and some Chinese people coming together to have fun here. So I'll give you guys a little video. Let's see how it is in Guangzhou here. Now we are at the club area. You can see all here is a club here. Let me give you guys full video of this place here. Here too is like a place where you can buy something, like hang out with your friends. If you have a girlfriend, you can see here. This is only one, and here are clubs, and you can see a BMG club and the food stall. So I don't know which one we're gonna go now, but like I feel like the vibes is very good. You can hear the music from here. So now the club I'm going to go is with the African vibes. Bonaba, Whiskey, Davido, all these artists here. So I'm gonna start a voice over because of the music. So I don't want to allow it, but let me show you guys the places here. Let's see.
Yeah, alright. You can see here we are at the club street here. So these are a lot of people just have a normal vibes. Yeah, I love how the place is very good and the architecture is very good. Yeah. So you can see we are heading toward the club. This is our first club. From here I can even listen to the African music of a Whiskey Dadio playing. Yeah. So we're gonna see. We're gonna discuss about them. How we're gonna do? Are we gonna bargain? But before it was free. But today they are talking about we're gonna pay. So this is the ticket.
Actually, the club I stopped by, it was free before. They asked us to pay like 100 RMB to go inside. So we decided to check like other clubs. Let's see whether we can have a choice. So now this is club 2. You can see people are staying there to scan, to make payment, to go in here. But all these clubs are for Chinese here. And there is this other club. We went there, you can see bothly their payment method. Yeah, each person too is 100 RMB. So I feel like we don't have choice than to go to the other club here. I think there is almost 10 clubs here. and all of them today you need to pay. So I will catch you guys up inside the club.
So we already made a decision to go to the first club we went, yeah. So here we are inside. We're just gonna enjoy the vibes. Yeah, it's very fun. Yeah, I really enjoy it. The music is very great. The DJ was African, so it's all about the African vibes. Yeah, they play some American and Western music, yeah, but we enjoy the vibes because the Afrobeat, yeah, it's taking on the world is very good. So I really enjoy the music. You can see me here having a good time. Yeah, I'm just feeling the music. I just have to see it because I'm very, very tired. Yeah, we dance, yeah. And then we're gonna rest a little and then we keep moving, yeah. So this is the people just sitting having fun. Here when the club was not very like at like 3 a.m. there's a lot of people. When I say lot, there is many people inside here. So this is like at 1 a.m. People are still coming. We are still exploring it here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you are not new, you know the vibes. I love you guys.